Nature has blessed us with colorful, magnificent looking plants, animals, colorful birds, colorful flowers, fruits, trees, forests, and more than what we deserve. What is man doing? Man is trying to cut down trees, trying to cause imbalance to nature. It is time we repay Mother Earth by doing our bit by taking up gardening. Join with me, watch the video till the end, subscribe to my channel. Let's start growing. Today I will share with you the tips to grow coleus. We will also learn how to propagate coleus from cuttings. Coleus is a plant which are beautiful and colorful. It brightens up your spot in the garden where it resides. For the same reason, it is used as ornamental plants. Botanical name of coleus is Plectranthus. It is also called landscape coleus. You will be surprised if I told you that there are over 300 species of coleus. Some species have ruffled leaves while some have multicolored leaves with attractive patterns. Coleus in all its glory is soothing to eyes and heart. It is considered to be first friend to gardener enthusiast. Why? Because new gardeners have excellent results growing coleus because it is a low maintenance plant. Doesn't require much care. Even if you don't give water for 1 or 2 days, it thrives. Even if you don't care about it for few days, it thrives. It is good growing in tropical climate, just that it doesn't stand too much heat. Coleus likes very mild morning sunlight. Direct afternoon sun can turn the foliage dull. Dark leaves, though, can stand bright light. The small light colored leaves can really get faded. Avoid overwatering, which promotes fungal growth. Moist soil is all that the coleus asks for. Now, pinching the tips encourage the branching and make the plant bushier. Bushier plant can be given different shapes like a ball or an umbrella. Now, these tips can be used to propagate the coleus. Infrequent pinching can make the stems very leggy. Leggy stems have long branches but very few leaves. You can see only few leaves at the tip of these leggy stems. So it is advisable to do frequent pinching at regular intervals. Now to propagate the coleus, take 4 to 6 inch stem that has to be cut at an angle of 45 degree. Now why should we cut the end or the tip at 45 degree? This increases the surface area for the rooting. So most cuttings, most propagation, they advise you to cut at an angle of 45 degree. You can take any soil that drains well. Here I have taken a small pot, filled the bottom of the pot with few stones for good drainage and have added equal proportions of garden soil, coco peat and well decomposed manure. You can also add perlite which retains moisture and it's good for growing roots. Now adding fertilizer is completely optional. As I told you, it is a low maintenance plant. Once or twice a year, liquid fertilizer can be added. To prepare the cutting, you need to take an ideal cutting of about 4 to 6 inch in length. Longer cuttings can make the plant really leggy. Start preparing by removing leaves at the lower end of the cutting. Now, removing excessive leaves diverts the plant's energy to the development of roots. So, and also the leaves that touch the soil can rot. So, remove the excessive leaves as I am doing it here and leave around 4 to 5 leaves at the tip of the cutting. You can dip the cut end in the rooting hormone or honey for early root development. Here I have not used any rooting hormone. I am making 2 holes in the pot and we have to carefully plant these cuttings in these holes. Now what we tend to do is we try to push the cutting very hard into the soil so it may damage the tip. This is one of the reasons why the propagation gets failed. Now, gently, we have to place it carefully and gently press the soil. Now, all we need to do now is to wait for 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. You just have to keep this hydrated by alternate day watering and keep away from bright light. Bright light can cause dehydration of the leaves and it can make the plant die. I am placing in a shady area and I'll water the plant for 3 to 4 weeks, during which the leaves and the root development happens. This is a 4-week old plant where you can see a lot of leaves that has grown. It is time to do pruning. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section so that I'll answer it in the subsequent videos. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.